So let's go to the next question. This question is from the year 1978 also, but question 39. Which of the following changes is a physical reaction? A, adding iron filings to aerated water. B, adding sodium metal to water. C, cooling a solution of iron 2 sulfate to obtain the hydrated salt. D, cooling water to obtain ice. E, burning domestic gas, which is also utility gas. What do you think is the answer from your knowledge of chemistry? All right, let's take a look. Let's see if we're correct. The correct answer is D. And the reason why D is the correct answer is whenever you have a physical reaction or a physical change, it doesn't give you a new compound. Now, if you see here, cooling water gives you ice. Ice is the same compound. It's not a new compound. It's just in another physical state. So that is why D is the correct answer.